I started off by gluing down my eyebrows and powdering them. I'm using a white color to sketch out the shapes that I'm going to have on my face and on my chest, just so they're easy to wipe away and so I can erase and create the desired shape that I want. I was really inspired by stained glass windows and old Renaissance oil paintings for this look, so I was trying to mirror those references with this makeup. Filling in the shapes that I sketched out previously with this blue paint, and I painted it blue just to reference some of the old oil paintings like the Venus one and stuff like that. Now I'm doing the same thing but to the face. Now I'm going in with my airbrusher, and I'm going in with a deeper blue just to create some depth and dimension, and I'm using that darker color on the outside to appear like it is sunken into the skin. You can achieve the same thing with a darker eyeshadow color and a blending brush and doing it in the same areas. I'm doing the same thing I'm doing with the edges, but on the face I'm adding in some contour just so it's a little bit more dimensional on the face. Now I'm taking a paintbrush and I'm wrapping around a makeup wipe and I'm cleaning up the edges just so I get a clean edge. Going in with a super light blue and I'm creating a cloud shape. This is just the background so it can be messy, and then we're going to go in with a white and create more details. Going in with a white and I'm just enhancing the cloud shapes. And you can do the same thing with a white eyeliner or a cream base white as well. into a water activated paint just to enhance some of the white areas. Now going in with my foundation color just to clean up the edges further. I'm going in with the brown and I'm just creating a loose crease and flicking it out on the edges. Going in with a pink and doing the same thing, just furthering the depths of the colors. Going in with a purple color under my lash line and then going into the outer V with the purple color just to deepen it even further. Now going in with a blue color and I'm just furthering my nose contour and going under my brow bone. And doing the same thing with the outer V as well. Going in with a glitter eyeshadow and I'm just creating a cut crease. Now I'm taking a liquid liner and I'm just creating a cat eye. Curling my lashes, putting on mascara, and then putting on falsies. Taking this liquid lipstick and I'm applying it on the inners of my lips and I'm dabbing it out and using my fingers just to create a more hazy look. I'm taking a gold color and I'm just outlining all the shapes that I did previously. I'm doing this because it will clean up the edges and I'm doing it because it is reminiscent of the old oil paintings with the gold frames. Now I'm creating my angels and I use foundation to create their body and I'm using water activated paints to create their wings and their accessories that they have. I'm using a brown water activated paint just to outline them, just so they pop out more. Using the same products that I used on the other one, this one is just going to be in a different position. The other one is holding a bow and arrow, and this one's going to be holding a harp. just using a loose glitter just to brighten up some of the clouds and the wings. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more from me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.